Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add contacts from your Gmail emails to your contact list really quickly. So let us get started. Head over to Gmail inbox, and to add a contact from an email, simply hover your mouse over the given email. Like for example, in this case here, so let me add that user here. Hover your mouse over the username or the sender, and after that you will see that window with that small icon in the top right of that window, add to contact. So click on it to add the contact to your contact list. And to check that, guys, simply click on these 9 dots in the top right and select Google Contacts from that list below. Let me find it really quickly here. So that is going to redirect you to your Google Contacts list. Let me just refresh the page really quickly, and there you go. As you can see, the contact has been added to my list of contacts. Now you may, for example, delete the given contact by clicking on these 3 dots here on the very right, and after that select delete, for instance. Or you may create a completely new contact for your Google Contacts list by clicking on create contact in the top left, select the option create a contact or multiple contacts, and after that start creating the contact by adding the first name, last name, company name, and here the email address, phone number, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how you create contacts on Gmail. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.